Whether you're switching cars, looking for a lightweight car seat for navigating subways, or hopping on a flight, the Nuna PIPA Urbn Flex system was made for getting around with less hassle. It includes a lightweight stroller frame and a completely baseless car seat that takes literally seconds to install using the convenient rigid latch system, so no more sweating over installation. Plus, when your baby outgrows the infant car seat, you don't need to start over. You can keep using the same frame by adding the Nuna Flex System stroller seat, which is sold separately. That means the system grows with your child without requiring a full upgrade. Because the seat itself is so light, the system is more convenient for switching between cars, transporting it, or air travel. When you're ready to roll, the included lightweight stroller frame makes it just as easy to go from parked to pushing. No heavy lifting required. At just over 11 pounds, it's simple to lift, pack, or stash in a trunk. Here's a closer look at the details that make the system stand out. Did I mention the car seat is just under 9 pounds? 9 pounds. That's roughly the weight of a gallon of milk. Aside from the other smart design details, which we'll cover in a minute, the weight of the seat makes it so much easier to pop in and out of the car. The integrated rigid latch connects directly into your car's latch anchors to simplify install so you can move from car to car with ease. And you'll always have peace of mind that you installed it correctly thanks to the indicators that turn from red to green. If you generally stick to one main ride, you'll love using the included set of latch guides that you can keep in your car to make finding the lower anchor bars so much easier. Because transitions in and out of the car or onto a stroller are common pain points, having a one-handed quick release helps when you're juggling baby and gear. This car seat has a lot of clever details, like magnetic buckle holders that keep straps out of the way so you don't have to wrestle with them every time you buckle in. It also has a removable full coverage canopy with UPF 50+ for some extra shade in or out of the car, a flip-out eye shade, and a helpful peekaboo window. There's even a smart pull-down sky drape for baby's relax mode. The PIPA Urbn doesn't skip on security or construction. It includes side impact protection, uses Aeroflex foam to absorb energy, and sources materials free from added fire retardant chemicals. The infant head support and body inserts are made from the snuggliest, moisture-wicking wool blend, so you can rest assured knowing your baby will stay comfy through car rides and family adventures. And even though the fabric is luxe, you'll be glad to know it's machine washable for those inevitable messes and spills. Now we can't forget the Flex System stroller frame we mentioned earlier, which is part of the package if you buy the PIPA Urbn Flex System. At 11.3 pounds, the stroller frame is ultralight, but that doesn't mean it's lightweight. When paired with the Nuna Flex System stroller seat, it can hold up to 50 pounds, meaning it can grow with your child from the newborn stage all the way up to about 6 years old. All-wheel suspension and large, durable tires make for a smooth ride even on bumpy city sidewalks. And an adjustable 3-position handlebar ensures a comfy grip design to fit parents and caregivers of all heights. A spacious basket underneath can hold up to 22 pounds and provides the perfect spot for storing your diaper bag, carrying some groceries, or stashing an extra baby blanket. When folded, the frame can stand on its own and is easy to carry with a strap or by stashing it in the included carry bag. If you want a super portable car seat with a lightweight stroller that has the potential to grow alongside your baby, the PIPA Urbn Flex System could be just what you need.